Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we want to go to the settings. So you can click on the settings button on the remote, or just go to the home page right here. Click the home button on the remote and you can navigate to the settings all the way over to the right. Right there. Now from here you want to go down. And we want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. We're going to go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices. Select it. Now we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Select. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so now we got to put these in pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in the case. Let me go ahead and open these up here. Now we'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of them is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay. Let's give it 1 second here. Okay, yeah, it's in pairing mode. And it should show up here. Still searching. Maybe I took too long. Let me go down to cancel. And then I'm going to add it again. Oh, there we go. Now it shows up. Now you got to make sure that your it's in pairing mode is blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, if it's not, you may be connected to a different device where you have to disconnect or unpair from that device, or you can factory reset these. Okay. Anyway, we're in pairing mode. It did find the Tune Buds right there. Let's go down. Let's select it. And there we go. It says it's now connected. And you can see right there, we are connected. Okay, you know that you're connected because if you look over here, it says select to disconnect. If I go up here on a different headphone I'm not connected to, it says press select to connect. Okay, so it says disconnect for the JBL Tune Bud. So anyway, we're connected. Now if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset. If you need to do that, look below in the link for that reset link.